What up, lovies? It's your girl Nisha, and I know this is like a totally different angle, totally different setup from what you normally see, but this is a different video for me as well. So, I don't know if you guys know, I don't even know if I told y'all. I don't think I posted that other video, but your girl has become a real life plant mom. I've been a plant mom since, I think it was a little bit before Thanksgiving. I got some plants that have since then went on to plant heaven, and some that I still have. But one of my most recent ones is this beautiful baby right here. And it's my Monstera. She is such a beauty. And I think I'm having some problems with her. I've had her specifically for about the last 2 weeks now, and I check on her periodically, and I see these like lines that keep popping up on the leaves. I see some like little circles. I see something like it could have been like, you know, chewed in between the leaf. And at first I just thought it was the plant getting, you know, acclimated to my space or whatever. But now I'm getting kind of worried because excuse me, I'm still looking at the plant. I'm getting a little worried because this was a separated plant. Me and my cousin went to the plant shop, and the Monstera was big, and she was just like, "You're getting half." And I was like, okay. This was one of the plants that I wanted initially, like the very first plant that I wanted. And then when I saw how big these plants get, I was like, do I have the capacity, not within my space, just within me, to have this plant? And so I steered away from it for a long time. But now that I have one, I gotta do right by it. You know what I'm saying? It's only right. So she got a name. She's been repotted, but I still see some things that are worrying me. Her name is Amani. First off, this is Amani. And so what I'm going to do is get in this pot and see what's going on with her, because I'm getting worried, because she's a beauty, and I don't know if you guys can see, but let me hold it right here. She is giving me a new leaf, so I'm excited about that, but I don't want to lose her. So what I'm going to do is see what's going on with the roots, for one, because I don't really see any bugs or anything, because I check it periodically, but these lines and these little dots are bothering me. So it could be like fungal. So I'm gonna take it out the pot, treat it, and break it down for sure. So I have these 2 pots here. This, I just feel like this is not a 7-inch pot. This is not a 6-inch pot. That's a huge jump. But I'm going to repot her into these 2 pots and see what happens. See if I can save her, because I don't want her to die on me. And I don't want to just like keep looking at these spots that just like, you know, keep showing up and me not doing nothing about it. So that's what I'm about to show y'all. I got a whole plant chore to do today. So I'm about to break her down, check her roots, repot her. Y'all gonna watch me do it. So, but you know what? First things first, we need coffee. we have come to the end of this video. And forgive me if my camera angle is crooked right now. The setup is jank, girl. It's really, really jank. But almost done with my coffee. And I have repotted these two babies. I don't know if you saw when I was taking it out. I did see signs of root rot. So I did good by getting it out of that soil. And y'all, look at all this soil that's still in this pot. Like, I was gonna literally kill this Monstera, okay? She was going on to plant heaven as well. But I'm glad I did what I did. So we have this one, super duper cute. And this is the one with the baby on it. Probably ain't gonna give me no fenestration, but I'm okay with that. Like, I'm okay with that. I'm going to wipe these leaves down and see what happens. I thought I had more. Oh, the two fenestration ones are over here. But it's okay, it's all right. It's all right. I'm just praying with enough sun. They're gonna do all right. So I think I'm going to water these and top dress them with some rocks, because I really do like the look of having them top dressed. It's really, really cute. And my babies are gonna do good. I'm praying they do. But if you guys know if this is like, y'all see that? I don't know if y'all guys can see that. If that is fungal, let me know. But I'm gonna most definitely treat it and just see how it goes. With the fungal side, it could have just been, you know, early signs of root rot and I caught it, but I don't know. So I will keep you guys updated about, well, this is Amani. Technically, this is Amani, so we're gonna have to give her a new name. I don't know. I guess by the time I'm editing this video, she'll have a name and I'll pop it on the screen. But I love this. Planting is just planting, jungling, gardening, whatever you want to call it. It's so therapeutic. Like, I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. So if you guys want to continue to see these kind of videos, please let me know, because I am so into this kind of stuff. I technically have 7 plants now. 8 that I have separated these two. So I have 8 plants. If y'all care to see any more of these videos, please let your girl know, because I love doing stuff like this. I will introduce my other plants to this channel momentarily, but they're still babies. Like, this is my biggest plant that I have. So not trying to downplay it or anything, but yeah, I will most definitely show you guys my plant babies, because I am so proud of them. But this video was about Amani and whatever her name gonna be in a minute, okay? So until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, lovies.